Hey, what's up guys? So Black Friday is here, and looking online, I'm actually seeing some of the very best discounts of the year now available. In fact, a lot of the pricing is even lower than what I saw during Prime Day back in October. Now, over on my website, I've got a list that goes over all the different discounts available on some of my favorite countermeasures, and I'll link to this page for you down underneath the like button. And diving right into it, we'll begin here first with Dashcams. As usual, this is where we're seeing most of the different discounts available, and we'll begin here first with Viofo. This brand is kind of my go-to pick for just your standard traditional recommendation, good video quality, overall feature set. And the pricing, depending on where you purchase, like with everything here, is actually going to vary. For example, if you take a look on Viofo's website, they've got this coupon code right here for an additional $10 off. And for that, if you, again, take a look at their website, they've got everything listed here. You can use that code and it applies to anything over $110, for example. And then to make it easier as you guys are price shopping, for these different links, I'm actually going to give you guys a couple different choices. So Amazon a lot of times would give it, maybe like faster shipping and easier returns. Maybe sometimes the price will be cheaper on Viofo's website. So you can take a look at both of the options and see, which one you like better. Here it is listed on Amazon. You can see it's $85 here for Black Friday. On Viofo's website, it's $150, but then there's the $50 off and then the $10 off coupon. So again, you can kind of play around with it and figure out which one ultimately works best. And then diving into the dash cams themselves, the A119 Mini 2, I know there's a lot of dash cams under $100. A lot of them stink. There are some good ones. This continues to be my favorite for just something to stick on the front windshield. Inexpensive price point, great video quality, nice feature set. If you want to go for like the upper end of the spectrum, the new A329 is available as a single channel only, so like 4K, 60 FPS, SSD support, all this kind of stuff. So that one's available here, 18% off for Black Friday. If you want to step up to like front and rear recording, which I typically would recommend, a variety of different options here. The A129 Plus was the one that was in that like viral video with the insurance fraud recently, but I think today probably the best choices, kind of the sweet spot in terms of performance and price point, it's going to be the A229 Plus and the A229 Pro. Basically same dash cam. The only difference really, like front camera is going to be 2K here. On the Pro, it's going to be 4K. A little bit of a price difference. The Pro is the one that I actually run in both of my cars as my primary dash cam. Now, there is the new version that just came out. As I mentioned, the A329, so 60 FPS and like SSD support and stuff. If you want that one, is that right? Yeah, you can see like how big of a price difference there is. $239 versus $399. So like, that's kind of why I was saying like this is what almost half the price. So I do think that this is going to be the sweet spot in terms of like your bang for the buck, right? But if you want the best, that's going to be the A329 option. Now, if you want to go to like the 3-channel one to add that interior camera for cabin recording, A229 Plus and Pro, you can get those here. Same idea, just adds the interior camera, and that's on sale for Black Friday as well. And then moving on to Vantrue, they also use like Starvis 2 sensors for a lot of their dash cams and stuff. Variety of different options. The N4 Pro is kind of like their competitor to the Viofo A229 Pro, so like 4K Starvis 2 up front, but like an integrated form factor. The N5, I'm not a huge fan of it, but I know a lot of people actually really like it because you've got 2 cabin cameras. So if you really want to focus on the interior recording, you actually have a second rear cabin camera as well. The new E360, this is actually an interesting one. Here, we'll pull this up. This one actually just launched, and this is cool. It's got like basically 2 cameras, one here for the cabin and a second one for the front of the car. Or I guess other way around, front and cabin. But basically gives you like this panoramic view, you can see here like that, to record like all the way around kind of the front, side, and cabin. So this one just launched, I guess just in time for Black Friday, so it's $100 off in case you guys want like a 360-degree dash cam. I know people ask about that all the time, and this one actually looks pretty cool. And then for you motorcycle riders, the Vantrue F1 is available for 30% off. And then when it comes to like long-term parking recording, if you want to record for like a week plus, then that's kind of where like the Thinkware U3000 steps into play with its energy-saving parking recording, and it's got kind of radar that it transmits front and rear to give you like buffered parking recording and long-term parking recording. So this is the one I run in my mom's car. It's on sale, 16% off here for Black Friday. And then Blackvue, they've got a couple different options here. So Starvis 2, 4K, but the cloud recording is kind of like their main feature here. So if you want something that can be connected to remotely, live streaming, remote notifications, that's typically where the Blackvues come into play. Now they've got 3 different form factors here. The standard model is the DR970X Plus. This is actually what I run in my car as like a 4-channel setup. I've got one actually in the front and another one in the rear, and then this kind of like rear camera right there I have set up as my side-facing cameras. And then for the cloud functionality, it does need like an external Wi-Fi hotspot. Or if you scroll down, they also sell, where is it? This right here, it's basically an accessory with a SIM card that pops into the side of the dash cam to give you the LTE functionality kind of like integrated with the dash cam. Well, I guess it plugs into it, but it's not actually integrated into it. For that, that's the DR970X LTE Plus. Same idea, but the LTE antenna and the SIM card actually go into the dash cam itself, which is going to be the more integrated option. So if you want something more built in, that would be the way to go. And then finally, I know a lot of people really like the box style dash cam where like you have this separate box right here that goes like under your seat or just kind of like tucked away somewhere. And then you have like the smaller kind of front and rear dash cams like that go up on the like front and rear windows. And speaking of integration, when it comes to rear view mirror style dash cams, there's the Nexigo D90 Gen 3, 4K, Starvis 2 up front, 1080p for the rear, also doubles as a backup camera, which is pretty nice. And then if you're running an Escort detector or a Uniden detector with like the big single suction cup mount or even a blend mount, there's this M2 dash cam. It just attaches to the side of your radar detector mount. So it uses the same mount and same power cable. Pretty simple dash cam, but it does give you like a more integrated option, so to speak, and simplifies the install and configuration and whatnot. Then as far as accessories, there's the battery pack that you can get for parking recording. You can either tap into your car battery for parking recording, or you can get a dedicated Dashcam battery pack on sale for Black Friday. And there's also a bunch of different memory cards. The SanDisk High Endurance, I mean, 19 bucks, 256 gigs. Like, I've had pretty good luck with those. Though for some of the newer and more demanding dash cams, you typically want to go for like the Max Endurance or like the Viofo ones for the Viofo dash cams, for example. I've been actually switching to these ones, and these are on sale as well. But for some of the like mid to even lower end ones, mid-range, you can get away with like maybe a SanDisk Extreme or something, and that is going to be cheaper than like a Viofo brand memory card. And then moving on to radar detectors, there's not a ton of stuff here. Basically only two companies, Uniden and Escort. Starting off here first with Uniden, they never participate in the sales officially, but we do see like discounted pricing on a lot of their detectors. The pricing here seems to change like every few minutes. It'll go up by like $1 and then a minute later it goes down by $2 or something. So like my pricing here is not exact, but you can, again, just like click right there, take a look. I've got it listed at $639. What is it right now? $636, as I mentioned. So like the stuff will vary, but just click and take a look at the current pricing. We've got a couple different detectors, as you guys know. So arrows, there's R8 and R7. For non-arrows, there's R4 and R3. There are the new Wi-Fi models, so R4W and the R8W, but those are not actually going to be on sale for Black Friday. So if you want the Black Friday pricing, get the Bluetooth ones. And speaking of which, we have had an update from Uniden. They are going to be including the laser jammer functionality for the R8 and the R4, not just the Wi-Fi model. So that's a nice improvement and update from Uniden. And then as a bonus, it's also worth mentioning that if you're running an iPhone and you've got one of Uniden's Bluetooth detectors, so like the R4 or R8 or R9 or something, or the Wi-Fi versions, the iOS apps, they are paid apps, but the Radar Companion ones specifically are going to be on sale. Not yet at the time I'm shooting this video, but starting November 25th, they should actually go on sale. So if you want to pick up like R4 Companion, R8 Companion, R9 Companion, or whatever, you can pick those up, and those should actually drop in price on November 25th. So a heads up for that as well. And then moving on to Escort, I've currently paused my recommendations here while they're sorting out some issues with the arrows and the response time and that kind of stuff. However, they're the only company that's like officially participating in Black Friday. It looks like they've got two detectors on sale, the Max 360 Mark II, as well as the MaxCam 360C. Now, the Max 360 Mark II, this is kind of the competitor to the Uniden R7, but it adds like Bluetooth and cloud functionality and whatnot. The MaxCam is basically a Max 360C Mark II, like with the Wi-Fi, but then it also adds the Dashcam built in as well. So kind of like integrated here into one unit, one mount, one power cable, one device, and you get both the radar and a 2K Dashcam built in. The Dashcam is fairly simplistic, but if you're looking for something kind of built in and integrated, I use this a lot of times as like my travel package just because it's kind of an all-in-one. This is going to be $100 off for Black Friday. And then when it comes to mounting options, the Blendmount is my favorite mount for different radar detectors. It attaches to your rearview mirror here like this. There's a 10% off coupon code that you can use here to save some cash. And then to simplify things, I actually have a section here at the bottom for my favorite Black Friday deals. So, you know, for different radar detectors, different dash cams, you know, depending on what kind of features you want. So if you want cloud, long-term parking recording, if you want a single channel for the front or dual channel front and rear, or if you want to add the interior camera, like all this kind of stuff is just here, along with some helpful accessories like the hardwire cable to get it installed for parking recording, good memory card for it, etc. So that's just kind of like some of my favorite stuff all in one place. And then finally at the bottom, there's just some bonus Black Friday stuff that I find useful that I think would be pretty cool. Some nice discounts. Obviously not all of it is countermeasures. There's like the Apple AirPods Pro. I use them all the time when walking my dog or something. The AirTags are actually, this is the biggest discount I've ever seen them to help find luggage or keys or whatever. Apple Watches and Samsung phones and headphones that I use on airplanes and Instapots for cooking and just all sorts of stuff here, right? So your Amazon Echoes, whatever. It's like there's a lot of stuff that's also available on sale that's not a countermeasure, but I think is also pretty cool. So I've got this available on the website, and as any new discounts pop up, any new deals, I'll also be updating the site as well, so you can always check back. But again, just head on over to this page right here. I'll link to it for you guys down in the description. And you can walk through and just find the different discounts on different countermeasures, radar detectors, dash cams, etc. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys are all doing great, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.